So here's the renovation going on in the master cabin. Behind over there is a porthole. So this one over here is the lock to the cargo room, and that's also our bed, which Samuel is going to put some more to, so it will continue here. Previously we had our head was over there at feet here, but now we are turning this side. It's tiny, yes it is, but this is a ship. Everything is just tiny. But hey, look at this. This is the way to switch on or switch off just by moving these two. It's really nice to get this done finally. We've been living here for almost 3 years, and our bedroom, the master cabin, has been like, well, not like this obviously, but I mean really, well, we didn't put much effort or time to do that, so this is going to change. So we went to shop some things for the renovation, what Samuel needs to continue, but then we noticed that this one particular shop has 70% off. So we went and bought all the new pillows, mattresses, duvets, like everything, blankets, I mean everything. And now our car is full of everything. Oh, I had a dream that what kind of mirror I would like to have there in the bedroom, and I just found exactly the one I wanted to have from the outlet. So not that expensive, but still very, very useful. I mean, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. They all this stuff cost something like a little bit over 300 euros, which is like dollars, about the same. So we are so happy.
Yeah.
Sometimes you get lucky. So when you have a ship, this is where you shop on Friday afternoons. Haha. This is all for the ventilation system. Behind over there is our bathroom and sauna.
And toilet?
Toilet is
behind the wall.
Yep.
I don't know what it is.
Some kind of ventilation pipe.
Yeah.
Can it be? So the shorter one, you can see that there comes the fresh air, and another one is for the...
This is for fresh air.
Yes, and another one is for the bad air.
Exhaust.
Exhaust, yeah.
Autossa on exhaust. Se on pakokas. Yeah.
But I don't think it's exhaust. Well, but you understand.
Yeah.
That's the main thing. So now we have the ground paint ready here, and we'll start the next layer, but kind of looking good, isn't it? And the window over there, or the porthole, as it should be called actually, it was a really tricky one for Samuel. I heard a lot of curse words when he was fixing that, but it ended up really nicely. Be ready. I think that this color looks very much kind of delicious. It's like cappuccino or
Yeah.
or caramel sauce or some sort of pecan nut ice cream or something.
Can I look this box?
Yeah, here is some like roasted pecan nuts and salt caramel.
Yeah.
And it really looks like that.
Yeah, it's very good. It's very good.
I've been painting actually the whole day.
Yeah.
And I'm really like slowly with this. Samuli paints like 2 ships and I'm painting this one wall.
But you make very good work.
Yeah, I'm really like into details and why wood in these walls? Because wood is really kind of it's good in a ship because it kind of takes in the moisture and then it gives it out when it's dry, so it's good for the I guess air conditioner or the just a second, what's it in English? Condensation.
Yeah. Wood is good.
That's why we have everything in wood, not just because we are from Finland.
And I just make this roof because the old one is very bad condition and now it's a little bit better.
Hi people! Now we are almost done with the renovation. So come on and I'll show you around. Here are these kind of curtains we wanted to have. The porthole, which was really, not that easy for somebody to repair. The ventilation system. Here we have the 12-volt system, and that comes from the solar panels as well as those lamps over there. They come also from the sun. Yeah, so it's late in the evening, so I guess I'm just going to say good night to all of you. Thanks for joining us again, and please welcome to our next video. Bye bye.